Hi guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Ruki. If you are coming across this channel for the very first time, you are in the right place. I am a makeup artist based in Abuja, Nigeria. So today I'll be bringing you our very first professional Gele tutorial. This was a pre-wedding photo shoot and then we decided to create video for this Gele. I hope you'll watch and learn. Kindly give us your review under the comment section. Give us a thumbs up. To my returning subscribers, I love you. You guys are amazing. She started this by measuring this head tie. This head tie is really small, but that's notwithstanding. So she's measured it 30-70. If you understand how Gele work, you know what 30-70 means. So, and this pleat she's making here is 6. She made about 6 pleats. This pleat, because this is going to be a cross hair tie. And then she started with this shorter hand. This shorter hand is going towards the back to the other side. So after making this 6 pleats, she take it around her head. You can, I don't know if you can see very well. The other part of this Gele is, her ear is covered with this side of the Gele where you are seeing right now, while the other side is not. That's because she's still going to cross the other hand, and then so that we can get the perfect style. If you are doing a cross Gele, if you are used to crossing a cross Gele, this is exactly how you do it. Then you can, so what she did was not enough, so she needed to shift it a little. I mean, when you're tying Gele, you need to be, Gele does not have rules that much. The rules is being able to measure your hair tie and then know the style you want to tie. Along the line, you make adjustments. So she just made an adjustment now, and that adjustment is because the hand there was too short, so she needed it longer so that she'll be able to achieve what she wants. And as you are tying this Gele, you need to pay attention so you won't be losing and tying at the same time. It can be tiring. So now this other hand, now the first hand you see that went down, and then the other one now is crossing the first pleat. She's going to be using this particular one to hold the other one down. There is no pin yet. I hope you are taking notes, because some of us that don't, if you don't know how to tie Gele, you end up finishing your whole pin in Gele tying. There's no pin yet because of her base. Her base is strong. The way she pleated it, the way she take it around, she took it around, and you can see she's still holding on to it. The moment you leave that thing, you're going to scatter this Gele. So be careful when you are tying Gele. Pay attention to detail. So she started pleating this now from under. You can see where she started her pleating from that side. Although I don't know if other people pleat from up, but if you want to have a strong base in Gele, start from the back of the head, because that's where the arrangement comes from. And what you are going to be tying is fan. So she has started pleating her fan right now. Like I told you before, the Gele is very small, and we are going to still do magic with this Gele, with this head tie. So the one she was holding before is what she tied together with the one she crossed to the front. Now it's time to start arranging. You know, when you are done with your base, you can style your Gele confidently the way you want. Base is very important, and when you are making Gele base, just know that whatever you achieve there is what will be the final output. If her base was not strong, if she did not pleat well, if she did not tie put everything together well, trust me, she'll be having issues now. Now that she has tied this together, she's still going to, she has arranged them. No, she need to pin now. It's time to pin, because the gele is not long enough. Even when it's long enough, there are places that still need pinning, that still need to be pinned down. So that's where she is right now. So she's going to be pinning that flap to the gele itself, and then continue with the styling. I'm sorry about my camera. I think my hand was everywhere was shaking, because when we did this thing was very rowdy and there was not too much concentration. So, but I hope you learned something. And if you still want more gele, let us know, so that we'll be giving you gele tutorial all the time. As you are watching, kindly like, subscribe to our channel, give us this support. I mean, without your likes, without your views, without your comments, this channel, I mean, there this channel need you to grow with us. Need you. This channel need you to grow. Be a supportive fan. So as it is like this, she's still coming back. You see, she still came back to the fan to pleat again, because when you're tying gele, your gele is instinct, is what you visualize that you put, that'll be your output. When you're tying gele, you already know what you want and how you want it. When you get to this point, so long as you have a stronger base, once you get to this point, you just touch. I'm telling you, you are going to be styling it effortlessly, because you already laid a good foundation. So the next thing now is to rearrange, because the next thing now is to rearrange. You can see the back, you arrange to the back, make sure that everything is perfect, and here we are with a very nice gele. The bride is looking beautiful, everyone is happy, and I hope you're happy. If you are, I'm sorry about the camera again. I mean, the next gele tutorial will be more perfect. And don't forget to like, subscribe. I'll be dropping a video of this gele next. So let me know if you want to see the video of this makeup, because we are not even done with the makeup. We're still going back to this makeup to finish up. So if you want me to drop the video, let me know in the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye.